night, staring at the ceiling. Every broken thought turned into a feeling. Voices in my head saying I should disappear, but the bass hits hard and it drowns the fear. Lost souls dancing under flashing lights, trying to survive through endless nights. I was falling deep, almost gave away, then the music pulled me from the pain. When the world goes black and I can't breathe, I hear the rhythm calling me. Turn the speakers louder, let the shadows fade. Music is the medicine, keeping me awake. Every drop, every beat brings me back to life. I was broken in silence, now I'm learning how to fight. Tears mixed with sweat on the crowded floor, but I don't feel empty anymore. Heartbeat syncing with the melody, like the universe is healing me. Hands up high like we're touching stars, turning all our wounds into electric arcs. No more chains holding down my soul, the rhythm finally makes me whole. When the world goes black and I can't breathe, I hear the rhythm calling me. Turn the speakers louder, let the shadows fade. Music is the medicine, keeping me awake. Every drop, every beat brings me back to life. I was broken in silence, now I'm learning how to fight. If I fall again,